Grammar quiz. The past simple tense. Fill in the blanks using the past simple tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. James, blank, up very early this morning. Is it A, wakes, B, wokes, C, woke, or D, has woken? The correct answer is C, woke. James woke up very early this morning. Ava, blank, to the zoo and saw a huge elephant. Is it A, goes, B, gone, C, has been, or D, went? The correct answer is D, went. Ava went to the zoo and saw a huge elephant. I, blank, a cherry pie from my nanny. Is it A, made, B, make, C, makes, or D, maked? The correct answer is A, made. I made a cherry pie for my nanny. George, blank, a glamping cabin in his garden. Is it A, build, B, builds, C, built, or D, has built? The correct answer is C, built. George built a glamping cabin in his garden. And finally, Frankie blank, his horse to victory. Is it A, ride, B, rode, C, rides, or D, rode? The correct answer is B, rode. Frankie rode his horse to victory. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.